co-host, Ninier Joy Rodriguez, and we will...
Again.
Welcome to our
culinary. Ano ba yung black and white?
Kaya nga, mag-isip tayo ng tip mamaya.
Ay, patay tayo.
And welcome to our party.
Wala. Please enjoy the foods.
The best.
Relax, enjoy.
You may request. Sabi mo, you may request.
Okay.
Game.
Ay, sabi niya?
Wala, ulo ka din, no?
Ninier Joy Rodriguez.
Sabi niya kasi Ninier Joy.
Yung mannerism, ha? Kailangan tatanggalin.
Manilisin. Kung wala, manilisin.
Good afternoon, Blackis and Pentong time.
Bakit mo yan?
Huwag ka naman ko, huwag ka naman mamaya. Para siya bigyan mo.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here is my co-host, Ninja Joy.
Hindi ka pa nga nagpakilala sa sarili
She's
mo.
so pretty, right?
Ano pangalan mo?
I'm Angelo, Angie for short. Angela Saclerano from Paco, New York.
Interview ba yan?
Nakakarried away ako eh.
Okay, seryoso na to. Seryoso.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Ba't gumaganon?
Akin!
Take two.
Lights, camera, action.
Kamala.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Dapat walang kamay dyan. Kumakain kayo may water? Huwag ka rin ba? Kaya nakamay ka. Kumakamay ka. Okay, wait lang ha. After nyan,
Sasayaw ka, no?
hindi. Hindi naman kayo or by partner naman. Hindi na natin yung
Pagpintak ni Isuman.
Tandem. Tandem. Sige. Tagal.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Angelo.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Here's my co-host, Ninja Joy Rodriguez. And welcome to our party. Enjoy our food that so delicious. Made by us.
Made by us. Made by us. Sarap nun, tol!
Ang ang sa us.
Tol,
And sit down and relax and enjoy.
Thank you. That's all.
Okay, Nino